Sneezing itself is not going to harm your baby. Sneezing is a physiological reflex and your body is designed in a way so as to protect your baby during pregnancy. Plus the amniotic fluid around the baby, it gives a cushion effect. Still, if you are worried about the force while sneezing, then what you can do is while sneezing, slightly lean forward and bend your knee so that the pressure is reduced while sneezing. If you are having persistent sneezing and you are having other symptoms too, then please meet your gynecologist and discuss about it. Take care and have a safe pregnancy.